Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, until its color is a little bit darker than the raw ones. Transfer the leaves into a clean plate. Add in our tomatoes, onions, squeeze in our calamansi, pour 30 ml of bagoong, and mix it. Set aside and prepare to fry our tuyo. Let's turn it on the other side. And transfer them into a clean plate. And we're done! But wait! What's breakfast without this? There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to get updates on food-related videos. Bye!